Welcome to Battle on the Beach. We are back. New beach, new mentors.
I'm gonna kick your butt.
Wow. New teams.
We are cooking with chicken. I mean, with gas. What'd they say?
Are you ready? I've already renovated 2 beachfront hotels, so I know a little something about the beach, and I definitely know about competition.
This is about perseverance and grit, and $50,000 is on the line, and we have to deliver.
Are you up for the competition?
Yeah, we're gonna win.
We eat them for breakfast.
We'll spit them out after breakfast.
We're changing our answer. We were too nice.
We've got all the gems in this house. Carpeting, the cockroaches.
Ugh.
They say you can't fix ugly, but you can fix ugly houses.
This is bigger than just designing a home on the beach. Winning to change people's lives, this is significant.
Wow. Oh my gosh. This is not functional. It feels unfinished.
I don't know how to teach you, I guess.
I'm just tired of how you communicate.
We are so different on our thoughts. I feel like I need to take 5. We do all this prep work and we can't even put it in place.
Everyone is here to prove something. This is a lot of money on the line.
I'm bleeding!
I need to finish. Why do we choose to do this? There's just too much pressure.
We gotta win.
I mean, we're all gonna stay friends after this,
course.
right? Y'all aren't gonna be
No.
mad at me when I win? All right, cool.
You're going down.
And the winner of Battle on the Beach
Is